Come test drive the 2023 Voyager. The Chrysler Group manufactured the Plymouth Voyager. It was renamed the Chrysler Voyager from 2001 to 2003. The Voyager minivan is a short wheelbase model to give decent maneuverability in a minivan platform. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, touring suspension, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.